Hi guys, we've got our 2018 Tundra Platinum squeezed into the HPC dyno cell. We're going to take a look at our TVS2650 Supercharger, the design, the development and the all-important performance comparison over the stock car. Designed specifically for the Toyota 3UR-FE V8, found in popular platforms like this Tundra, the Landcruiser 200 series in certain regions, and the luxury Lexus LX570, we have developed a number of kit variants to meet the needs of positive displacement boost across the entire 5.7 model family. Our TVS2650 Supercharger Kit utilises an Eaton twin Vortices series 2650 rotating assembly, which is 40% larger than the earlier 1900, delivering greater efficiency and airflow potential. Thermal control is managed efficiently with the inclusion of high-density twin intercooler cores in the manifold, integrated with a front-mount heat exchanger to reduce inlet air temps and greatly enhance the performance potential in all climates. Like all our systems, an important design feature is the integrated supercharger bypass system, which relieves boost under light load conditions, reducing drive loss and improving fuel economy. Harrop superchargers are renowned for their OEM level of finish and ease of installation. Our engineers accomplished this again with superior engine bay integration, retaining all factory ancillaries, including air conditioning and power steering. For standard installations, the supercharger drive pulley supplied is 85mm and utilising the factory 8PK front-end accessory drive assembly. Replacement high-flow injectors are available and a larger capacity fuel pump, as well as plug-in wiring looms for all necessary engine sensors, including inlet air temperature to mass airflow, throttle loom extension and intercooler pump looms. Performance comparisons are always the key measure of interest. So before we fitted our new supercharger system, we ran our bone stock 2018 Tundra on our Dynapack dyno in Harrop Performance Centre. We measured 310 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds of torque at the rear hubs. After installing our TVS2650 Supercharger Kit with 85mm pulley on the same dyno, we measure 492 horsepower and 480 foot-pounds of torque at the hubs, with peak boost measured at just 6 psi at 6,000 RPM, achieving gains of more than 50% over stock performance. Optional smaller supercharger drive pulleys are available for more airflow and higher performance targets on upgraded engine packages and alternative fuel systems. To realise the performance potential of the TVS2650 for race applications, we have the option for upgraded secondary fuel rails to enable 16 injectors to maximise the fuel delivery potential. Now available globally, the performance potential of your 5.7 Toyota V8 never looked so good with industry-leading supercharger technology. Learn more at harrop.com.au and subscribe to Harrop TV for all of our content as released.